everybody. I am Chef Joya, and we are getting ready to prepare for Easter. My nieces love Easter, and I used to always do the Easter egg hunts when they were growing up, but it seems like once I became vegan, I stopped doing the Easter egg hunts for you guys because, of course, as vegans, we don't eat eggs. So TT is going to show them how we can have a cruelty-free and vegan Easter basket, all right?
All right.
You excited?
Yes.
You excited, Mommy? All right, so let's go ahead and get started.
This is blue.
Yes, that is blue. What color is this?
Green.
Yes. Yeah, we're going to use these canned potatoes, and the canned potatoes are going to be our eggs.
Yes. Okay. Are we going to knock it over?
No, we're not going to knock it over. We don't. That's not the goal. Oh, Lord. Oh, gosh.
Are you trying to drink that?
Don't, no. Okay.
Potatoes stink. Oh, can we show them what type of potatoes you can also use? Yeah, the potatoes stink. Can we show them what
Potatoes stink?
Yeah. They were in a can. That's so stink. And who knows how long they were at the grocery store in the can.
Okay. You want to put some in there? You can drop them softly. Okay. Yep, that one can't fit anymore, okay? So while we have these sit right here.
It's going to be extra eggs.
Yes, we're making vegan Easter eggs.
Not eggs. Vegan Easter potatoes.
Yes.
No, they're vegan eggs.
She said they're vegan eggs, okay? I'm so nervous, girl. Oh, no. You don't put that on the TT counter.
Is that vegan broccoli?
Wait, hold on.
Wait, broccoli is vegan.
Yeah. We're going to make sure you have a healthy Easter vegan. Yeah, so we're going to take some colorful broccoli. We got green.
It'll be extra
yellow.
eggs.
Yes.
It'll be yellow. It'll be baby chickens.
No, we're not eating the baby chickens.
Purple.
We're saving the baby chickens by eating colorful cauliflower. It's already got color. It was made with the color.
You don't see anything.
Where's
Carrot.
some orange carrots? Because you know, like the bunny rabbits love a good carrot.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, wasn't. Other thing TT got, we had some colored potatoes.
Colored potatoes.
And
Really?
I only put a little bit of seasoning on it. Oh, a purple potato.
What the?
Wow.
Yeah, I don't like seeds.
See, we don't need candy on Easter. We have a lovely garden. Hey.
Yeah, and potatoes.
Yeah, so we got look at our vegan eggs.
Quote unquote potatoes.
Oh.
Mommy don't like baskets.
Your mommy don't like baskets. Oh, goodness. Okay, well. Ooh, we got the sugar on the potatoes.
I want some pretty. I'm a Virgo.
I know. That's why you like the color coordination.
Color coordination, the organization. She's a Scorpio.
She's a Sagittarius.
Sagittarius. She got anger issues.
Oh, Lord. Oh, okay.
Holy Spirit,
That is amazing. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yes, that.
She want that purple potato.
How about
Okay.
this?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that is going to be interesting. All right. Good job.
It's a rainbow on a cup.
It's so yummy. Oh, wow.
Let's try this one. No, they're so sour.
It's so sour. All right, Monty. There we go. No, I'm not doing that.
You ready to ask you?
Hey, but guess what?
What?
April's Fools.
This is the real thing. Those potatoes, they didn't salt. They didn't salt or something. Is it more vegetables? Just potato sometimes. This is the you never try this. It is disgusting.
All right, since y'all are such a great sport, TT got real candy and real vegan Easter basket.